Hey guys, Alexander Piana here with Century 21. Have an amazing property, 4 bedrooms, 2 bath, pool, spa, home on the border of Villa Park in the city of Orange, over 2,100 square feet. Lots of upgrades, kitchen, bathrooms been redone, single story on 8,000 square feet of lot. This is a full entertainer's home, beautiful kitchen, barbecue island in the back, pool and spa as I mentioned back there, covered patio. Give us a call at 714-745-0896 for more information on this property. We're going to be having open house this weekend, Saturday and Sunday from 12 to 3. This property here, again, is on the border of Villa Park, virtually Villa Park in the city of Orange, going for $849,999. Again, Alexander Piana, the Piana team, give us a call at 714-745-0896. This property will not disappoint. Thanks so much. Alexander Piana, the Piana team, experience results.